Hi everyone, today I'm comparing two great phones I have used, the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max, released in September 2024, and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, which came out in February 2025. Both phones are very powerful and have cool features, but they are different in some important ways. I will talk about their design, camera, speed, and battery life to help you see what makes each phone special. If you want to check the latest prices, I put Amazon links in the description below. Let's get started and find out which phone might be best for you. Having used both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, I can say their designs feel quite different in hand. The iPhone feels a bit taller and wider, with its 163 by 77.6mm size, but it's slimmer at 8.3mm compared to Xiaomi's thicker 9.4mm body. Despite this, their weights are very close, 227 grams for Apple and around 226 to 229 grams for Xiaomi. So both feel solid and premium. The iPhone's titanium frame gives it a sturdy, high-end feel, while Xiaomi's aluminum frame with options like eco leather or glass back feels unique and slightly softer. Both are protected against water and dust, but the iPhone offers a bit more ruggedness. Overall, the iPhone feels sleek and strong, while Xiaomi feels robust yet comfortable. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 1030x by 2868 pixels, approximately 460 ppi, offering up to 2000 nits brightness, HDR10, and Dolby Vision support, protected by the 2024 generation ceramic shield glass. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra sports a slightly smaller 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a higher resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, approximately 522 ppi, delivering a brighter peak brightness of 3200 nits. It supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and HDR Vivid, enhanced by 1920Hz PWM for smoother dimming, and is safeguarded by Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0. Overall, Xiaomi's display offers superior resolution, brightness, and advanced HDR features, while Apple emphasizes color accuracy and durability. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max and Xiaomi 15 Ultra both feature cutting-edge 3nm chipsets, with Apple using its A18 Pro and Xiaomi employing the Snapdragon 8 Elite. The iPhone's hexa-core CPU, consisting of two high-performance cores at 4.05 GHz and four efficiency cores at 2.42 GHz, contrasts with Xiaomi's octa-core setup, which includes two powerful cores at 4.32 GHz and six cores at 3.53 GHz, suggesting Xiaomi may deliver stronger multi-threaded performance. The iPhone's Apple 6-core GPU is optimized for iOS 18 and its updates, while Xiaomi's Adreno 830 GPU runs on Android 15 with HyperOS 2 and promises up to 4 major Android upgrades. Overall, the iPhone offers a tightly integrated iOS experience, while Xiaomi provides a versatile Android platform with potentially superior raw CPU power. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max and Xiaomi 15 Ultra both lack expandable storage options, requiring users to choose their preferred internal capacity up front. The iPhone 16 Pro Max offers NVMe storage with three capacity variants: 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB, all paired with 8GB of RAM. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra features UFS 4.1 storage, which is known for faster read and write speeds compared to previous standards. It comes in three configurations as well, but with higher RAM options: 256GB paired with 12GB RAM, and both 512GB and 1TB versions equipped with 16GB RAM. Overall, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra provides more RAM, which may enhance multitasking and performance, while the iPhone relies on its NVMe storage technology, and optimized software for efficient operation. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max features a triple camera setup with a 48-megapixel wide sensor offering dual-pixel PDAF and OIS, a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens providing 5 times optical zoom with OIS, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera. It also includes a ToF 3D LiDAR scanner for depth sensing and supports Dolby Vision HDR, ProRes, and spatial video recording. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts a more complex quad-camera system, highlighted by a 50-megapixel wide sensor with a large 1.0 sensor size, PDAF and OIS, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x zoom, and an impressive 200-megapixel periscope telephoto offering 4.3x zoom and OIS. Additionally, it has a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a ToF 3D depth sensor, Leica optics, and supports 8K video recording. Overall, Xiaomi's setup emphasizes higher megapixel counts and versatile zoom capabilities, while Apple focuses on advanced video features and a balanced sensor array. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 12MP wide selfie camera equipped with PDAF and OIS, enhancing focus speed and image stability. It also includes an SL 3D depth/biometric sensor for advanced facial recognition and supports 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second with Dolby Vision HDR and spatial audio, offering superior video quality and immersive sound. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has a higher resolution 32MP wide selfie camera, supporting HDR and panorama modes. It can record 4K video at 30 or 60 FPS and 1080p video at 30 or 60 FPS with gyro EIS for electronic image stabilization. While Xiaomi provides higher resolution photos, Apple excels in video quality and advanced biometric features. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 4,855 mAh Li-ion battery with moderate charging speeds, supporting 25 watts MagSafe wireless, 15 watts Qi2 wireless charging, and 50% wired charging in 30 minutes via PD 2.0 at 25 watts. It also offers 4.5 watts reverse wired charging. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra comes with a larger 5,410 mAh Li-ion battery globally and an even bigger 6,000 mAh variant in China. Xiaomi significantly outperforms Apple in charging speeds, offering 90 watts wired charging with PD 3.0 and QC3+ standards, and 80 watts wireless charging. Additionally, it supports 10 watts reverse wireless charging, which is more powerful than the iPhone's reverse wired charging. Overall, Xiaomi 15 Ultra provides a larger battery capacity and much faster charging capabilities compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. After spending time with both the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, I can say each phone has its own strengths. The iPhone 16 Pro Max impresses with its smooth performance, excellent camera system, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. On the other hand, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a stunning display, fast charging, and great value for its price. Both phones deliver a premium experience, so it really comes down to what features matter most to you. Check out the Amazon links in the description for the latest prices and decide which one fits your needs best.